Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today, in this video, we'll be drawing Luffy out of a stickman. Yep, so to complete this drawing, there's only one thing you gotta do. Watch this video until the end. And lol, don't forget to draw with me. Anyways, without any further ado, let's begin the drawing. The things you will be needing are a pencil, eraser, and different shades of pencil if possible, or it's fine. So let's start with the circle for a stickman. Separate the circle in two halves for the eyes and other things in the face, and just continue to draw the stick figure with me. Try to keep the stickman as same as possible. This will be helping us a lot for the actual drawing. But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. Nah, nah. You're the battles won until kingdom come. To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Yep, now the stickman's complete. Now let's start with the actual drawing from the face. Anyways, let's erase the circle little bit and start the drawing. Wait, let me zoom a bit for you. I won't be talking much from now on. All you gotta do is just see and draw with me.
invincible.
have completed the drawing. Now the final part is you got to cleanly outline it and do the shading. I have completed the outline off screen. Let's start the shading. Keep a paper for support while shading so you won't mess up while shading. If you guys want me to draw any specific characters, let me know in the comment. And yeah, I hope you like this video too. I will also help this video get a bit more reach.
But I'm just getting started. Put my eyes on the target. Nah, nah. You're the better ones, you kingdom come. To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
Okay, that's it for this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.